everyone, welcome to Gouddess Speaks. Again it's a vlog kind of day. I am waiting for my Uber to come. So once I'm in the Uber, I'll tell you what is the plan for today. It's just a day in my life, more like a day in Trisha's life, who's my friend. Right now I'm going to SIES College of Commerce and Economics, which is at Sion East. My friend Trisha is holding a workshop there. She's an artist. So that's exactly where I'm headed to right now. भैया कितना टाइम लगेगा पहुंचने के लिए? 6 मिनट. Okay. I'm here at SIS college and I'm waiting for one of the students to come and pick me up. As you can see, इधर एकदम सुनसान है because 12th standard की exams चालू है. So इधर जो गर्दी होती है, crowd होती है outside the college, it's not there because of the exams. Otherwise, generally college के बाहर there's a lot of crowd, गर्दी, people chilling. So I think she is the student who's coming to pick me up. It's on which floor?
So, because the classes are occupied, they're on the first floor. Library.
What is this Munna Bhai DDL?
This is for our Fantasies Fest.
Oh, you have a fest called Fantasy?
Yes. Cultural fest.
I didn't catch your name.
Vaidehi.
It's okay if I vlog, right? You can see the workshop is on and even teachers have participated in this workshop. So how are you all enjoying the class so far?
Really amazing. I want the sessions again. Yeah. Because I'm missing the tie.
You missed which one?
The tie.
क्या किया था tie dye में?
We made two types of cloth. Like scrunchy type ones and another one the circle pattern. Yeah, that's what we did for tie dye.
We will put some effects.
Trisha madam in action.
It's okay. It will look very good. अरे right now. अरे मजा आएगा.
What else did she do?
I'm super happy.
We did bag. Paper bag making.
हाँ.
Katha work.
What is Katha work?
So it's like a 3D painting type. It's a 3D paint, right, on cloth. So
it can also be like embroidery, but
Yeah,
it's running line. It's a design consisting of running line.
I missed it, man.
and then basket weaving we did.
With newspapers.
Yeah, with newspapers.
We had to roll up newspapers with.
Maybe it was like a arts and craft.
And then yesterday we did calligraphy and today we're continuing.
Take another one. Okay. अगर रेड बीच में आ रहा है उधर अपना पेन छोड़ दो.
So as you can see, this is a calligraphy workshop that was conducted by the Aurikra Art Studio.
Well, thank you so much. The 4 days is like
खोलो.
very quickly.
तनु उसे खोलो.
It's not खोलो. Okay. आगे पीछे there are blank pages, so it's written here and the last.
Oh, handwritten note.
After the workshop, I headed to Trisha's house. On a bike after a long time. She's looking at me as if उसने भूल देखी हो. Introducing Mao, Trisha's cat. Trisha taking an online handwriting improvement class for one of her students. Trisha, I have a question for you. Will you allow me to ride your bike? Do you know how to ride one? Do I know how to ride one? No, but I have a two-wheeler license, a four-wheeler and a two-wheeler.
I don't mind you practicing on my day. It's as it is 8 years old.
You don't mind practicing? Wow, trust, Trisha. Trust. I love you, man.
It's as it is 8 years old. वैसे भी शगुन अपशगुन सब हो चुका है ये बाइक से.
What do you mean by shagun up shagun?
Accident, no accident, everything is done. Scratches, everything is done.
Accident कभी हुआ था?
2 times.
किधर?
Actually 3 times. One on King Circle, second on San Hospital flyover, and third in Dharavi.
So basically you're saying that अगर 3 बार इसका एक्सीडेंट हो चुका है then you do whatever the hell you want to do with this bike.
Yes.
But what if मैं इसका और क्रियाक्रम कर दूंगी तो?
चलेगा, मुझे नहीं मिल जाएगी, और वो भी इलेक्ट्रिक वाली.
नहीं मिल जाएगी.
मेरा फ्यूल कॉस्ट बच जाएगा.
ओके.
क्योंकि जब तक ये एकदम भंगार नहीं हो जाती तब तक आई वोंट बी एबल टू बाय. हाउ विल आई कन्विंस माय फादर?
So you're saying जब तक ये भंगार नहीं होती how will I convince my father? मतलब तेरे को ये बाय हार्ट बाय दिल बाय दिमाग पता है कि मैं इसको भंगार करके छोड़ूंगी. मेरे को अभी तक लग रहा था कि you have so much trust and faith in me, but now this is the amount of trust and faith you have in me just because you want a new electric bike. You want me to have this bike so that I break it. Wow, Trisha, wow.
अरे थिंक द पॉजिटिव साइड. आई एम गिविंग यू अ बाइक टू ब्रेक.
चले थे. त्रिशा के साथ आज कम होम. फाइनली होम. त्रिशा के घर पे गई थी, थोड़ा टाइम पास किया माऊ के साथ, और कुछ काम भी था उनके डैड के साथ. So for people who are like, "Arey, why have I not put the video on Saturday?" That is because of this. ये टूट गया था when I was traveling to Kashmir. I'm waiting for my tripod to come. I also tried to put it on the झाड़ू and that वो stick होता है ना जिससे कपड़े सुखाते हैं, but it was not standing. I made a lot of efforts to make videos, लेकिन नहीं हुआ. I tried to put sellotape around it and stand in front of it, but it was a grand flop. So I'm just waiting. मेरा अभी ये वाला ट्राइपॉड लाया है 60 इंच वाला, ये वाला. आई हैव टू स्टिल अनबॉक्स इट, बट इसके ऊपर का जो होल्डर होता है, मोबाइल होल्डर, वो अभी तक नहीं आया है. सो दैट्स वाई ये सैटरडे को आई कुड नॉट पोस्ट एनीथिंग एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट वेल. Trisha, how was your session today at SIES college?
Excellent. Wonderful response. I had so much of fun with them.
What did you learn from it?
See, as an artist,
See, I told you guys I'm not well. नहीं, मुझे कोविड नहीं हुआ है. हाँ, बोलो.
so I was just saying, as an artist, when I make my artworks, I always think about, oh, ये इधर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इधर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. How can I improve this? My brain is working more towards that area. But when I saw these children, they were all graduation students, and
FYSYTY.
yeah, the age must be what, 20, 21. So when I
Yes, that is how mothers interfere. They don't care if we are recording, not recording. All they care about चाय पिया, नाश्ता खाएगी, which is actually a good thing. पानी पिएगी. But जब actually भूख लगती है ना, तब वो लोग का सीरियल चालू हो जाता है 8 बजे.
तब वो बोलते हैं वहाँ रखा है, जाके ले लो.
हाँ, exactly.
So then, but when I saw the students today doing their artworks, no, they got so much of joy when they wrote their name with brush calligraphy, which they just learned in 2 days, in 4 hours, and they were so happy. They were so happy with just that name writing. That I mean, I saw that and I was like, मैं कहाँ ये चक्करों में पड़ी रहती हूँ कि ये अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं त्रिशा ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये पोस्ट नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. वो जॉय देख के ही दैट यू नो आई गॉट दैट पॉजिटिव वाइब्स फ्रॉम देम. सो आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प मी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ it will help me reducing a little bit of my overthinking over my artworks.
Okay, Trisha, I have something to ask you. Now that it is Women History Month, 8th March is Women's Day. Are you going to do casually serious with me? Yes or no? For women empowerment.
Yes. We'll do it.
You can't give me a tanga later on.
We'll do it. This month, no?
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Okay, just ignore all of this. The way we are
Yes,
looking.
the way we are looking.
We just got out of the scooty ride and we are really tired.
Very tired.
I had a good day after a really long time. Thank God.
I mean, thank God Hemangi came in today for the 4th day of workshop. I was relieved that today I get to come with her to her place so that I can relax because the last week was too hectic.
Okay, you know what, Trisha, I've been realizing whatever I've planned now so far, like in life in general, I just feel like none of it works out. Whatever I plan and God laughs and is like,
It's with many people. Even my mom says the same thing. In fact, life ही नहीं, अगर आप day to day activities भी she's planned, today I have to go to this place, today I have to go to that place, she will never be able to go at that time. So even she tells me the same thing, that I have stopped planning. But what I would, rather than just stopping to plan, you should have different plans, A, B, C. If ये नहीं ये, ये नहीं ये, ये नहीं ये. That's what I think. That's what I do.
but I just feel like because I've done ABC, nor A works out, nor P works out, nor C works out.
Then don't plan.
I'm just living life the way it comes now.
Yeah. Just have a long-term goal in mind, that whatever you do daily, but ultimately you have to reach
That's the
somewhere.
goal. Okay. That makes sense. If you go through such problems, please contact Trisha Gupta. Life crisis will be solved by her besides your art and handwriting. Oh, which reminds me, guys, a lot of kids. अभी क्या हुआ है कि because of 2020 and 2021 सब online चला गया था. And because of which वो जो लिखने का habit होता है ना, एग्जाम लिखने का habit, वो निकल गया है and a lot of people are anxious and have anxiety.
Yeah,
with
and
regarding
sorry
that.
to interrupt you, but this is with also today as we went to the workshop. Those were for SYT. Even students of those age are facing this issue that we came to know from a professor.
Yeah, so if anybody is having that issue, how to speed up your handwriting and get back to where you were, or even improve your handwriting or get that speed up for anxiety निकालने के लिए, you can contact Trisha because she is also into handwriting improvement and calligraphy for all age groups. Thank you Trisha. Trisha आई, लक्ष्मी आई घर पे and होल्डर भी आ गया अभी just Amazon से. Finally, this is the one 60-inch वाला and this is the 50-inch वाला जो टूटा हुआ है. So the problem when I was traveling also with this was कि एक बहुत बड़ा issue that I was facing is कि सब लोग इसमें आ नहीं रहे थे like frame में, but hopefully this is a really good one. The best part I like about this is this. नीचे जाता है doing 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 फिर ऊपर आता है doing 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 doing. So this is one cool part that I found.
एक मस्त टाइम पास कर लिया. Call your dad. He'll take out some topic and he'll hear it.
My dad will not allow me to
क्या?
video him.
वीडियो नहीं, अपन ही बात करते हैं.
Anyway, so this is what is going on in my head, in her head, and she wants to talk to my dad. I don't know what it is
You
about.
took it as a video?
I don't know what it is about Trisha and Ankita and all my friends wanting to talk to my dad and having a
Because
conversation
by the
with
way,
him.
excuse me, your dad is quite experienced. He has a lot of knowledge, and
That he is.
yes. So we love hearing his experiences.
But
always.
I feel like, oh my god, is anybody even coming to meet me?
No.
Ankita, my
no
dad.
experienced person.
Trisha, my dad. It's annoying. Anyway, so on this note, I'm gonna say bye because obviously मेरा तो कोई कदर है नहीं इधर. Trisha wants to talk to my dad. I hope you like this video and let me know if you want me to make more vlogs or the other kind of videos or both. Let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time, tada!